topic for the discussion today is Union Budget 2021. Union Budget 2021, budget post COVID. So Union Budget 2021, budget post COVID shutdown. So this is the topic. I give you 30 seconds to think and then we start. Union Budget 2021, budget post COVID 2021 shutdown. So that is a topic we will go for. Please mute yourself, all of you, and then I name one by one and then we participate in the discussion. Okay, so can we start now? I start from Suraj.
Hello friends, my name is Suraj. I'm very glad to start this discussion. Today's given topic is Union Budget 2021. This topic is very interesting because we all were hopeful about this budget, that this budget would bring in positive changes and it would act as a catalyst in the progress of our nation. This budget has taken some significant changes in various sectors like banking and finance, health and sanitation, education, infrastructure, agriculture, and employment sector. So we will discuss in detail what all are the important takeaways from this budget in this discussion. So I will invite all of you to participate in this discussion.
Okay, now I want Sadhana to go ahead.
Good evening, friends. My name is Sadhana, and I would like to open up the discussion. Today's topic for the discussion is Union Budget. I found this topic very relevant. Recently, we have observed budget just 2-3 days back. Our respected Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman Madam given budget for the year 2021. As the budget was post-COVID situation, it is of the great relevance with our life and day-to-day situation. Several sectors from the society expecting a lot from that budget. And the similar situations happen. There is a handsome package offered by our finance minister to pharma sector, to medical industry, and to MSME sector. With this note, I open up discussion for other fellow contestants and looking forward towards a valuable discussion further.
Okay, Pallav, please go ahead.
So good evening, everyone. My name is Pallav, and I'm glad that I got this opportunity to initiate a discussion on the topic given today on Union Budget 2021. Union Budget 2021 has brought into a slew of measures to revive the healthcare, many of the sectors such as healthcare, infrastructure, finance, and all these steps have been taken by our respected finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman in order to revive the economy and take it up to a next level. So I open the house for the discussion now and would like all of you to participate in this.
Okay, Anurag. Anurag, you are not audible. Anurag, you need to re-enter, exit, and then again re-enter. I think there is some trouble coming with you. So Vinay, you please go ahead.
So, hello everyone. My name is Vinay Chauhan, and yeah, I would like to take the opportunity to start the discussion. Our discussion topic is Union Budget 2022. So, Union Budget 2022 is mainly focused on healthcare and wellness sector, and around 2,83,000 crore has been allotted to healthcare sector. To actually, the main focus is to build the 30,000 rural and urban healthcare center, and around 35,000 crores will be utilized for the COVID-19 vaccines. And other sectors are also included in this budget. Infrastructure is also in the focus. So now I open the house for the discussion.
Okay, Anurag, you are there? Rahul, you can go ahead.
Good evening, all. My name is Rahul, and I'm happy to initiate this discussion today. The topic given today is the Union Budget 2021, the budget after COVID. Actually, this is the most awaited budget in the last decade because it has to address the shrinking GDP, COVID crisis, COVID crisis, and poor healthcare infrastructure, unemployment caused by the COVID, welfare schemes which need to be and damaged MSME sector due to COVID, infrastructure pipeline, which was a continuation of the last previous budgets. So this is a very important topic and of great current relevance, because everybody is expecting something, the revival of this economy, and something. Everybody is expecting something from this budget, even middle class, farmers, students, everybody. So with this note, we have many things to discuss today, and with this note, I'm opening this forum for discussion.
Okay, Shivansh, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Good evening, friends. Today, I take opportunity to start the discussion. Today's topic is Union Budget 2021. After the corona pandemic, our GDP is got shrink. Now this is now very important for us.
Shivansh, your connectivity is a problem. Shivansh, your connectivity is a problem. Anurag, can you go ahead? Again, Anurag, you're not audible. Yatharth, please go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yatharth Sharma. I would like to take the opportunity to initiate this discussion. Today, our topic for discussion is Union Budget 2021, Budget Post-COVID Shutdown. It is a very relevant topic, and it is a very special topic also, because this budget is itself very special. Why? Because it is the first budget after the pandemic, and it is the first budget of a new decade, and it is also the first paperless budget. So in my opinion, we can discuss about how this budget going to affect the recovery growth and reform of the different sectors like health sector, education sector, infrastructure, and defense sectors, etc. So I hope you all have various opinions about this topic. So on that note, I open the house for the discussion. Thank you.
Okay, so let me see whether Anurag and Shivansh can speak. Anurag, try whether you are audible. Still not audible, Anurag. I think you need to go out and again come, but I don't know, because it is not, you are not audible. And Shivansh, can you try again? Shivansh, you want to try again? Okay, so I think we can start with the second round of our discussion, in which I'll give you 10 minutes and you can participate and you can talk to yourself and you can proceed forward with the discussion. Please maintain the decorum during the discussion. So I open the house for the discussion among you now.
Okay, the first of all, I would like to talk about the finance sector. The important takeaway from this budget is physical deficit. Physical deficit is simple. That means how much country borrows and how much country produces. The difference between borrowing and producing is called deficit. Before the COVID, the physical deficit was 3.5% of GDP. After COVID, it has become 3 times 9.5% of GDP. That means our country is relying on something which are borrowing, and it restricts the government of doing something. But after this budget, it is expected to reduce our physical deficit back from 9.5 to 6.8 again. So this is an important takeaway from this budget. This is from
I would
finance
like
sector.
Yeah,
I would
like to
like,
point-
I agree with,
Yes.
I agree with my fellow participant, and I would like to add to it, just pre-budget economic survey has been placed in the parliament, and accordingly, Indian economy has been improving in a V shape. Earlier, there was, our GDP was in the range of 5 to 7%. That has been drastically came down and came into the negative side. And after COVID, certain measures, some strategic measure has been taken by government of India and our finance minister, madam. Then after, our economy is improving in a very increasing manner. Very fastly it is improving, and it has come into a V shape. It is a very rare one, and it is a very good thing for Indian economy.
yeah,
Being a developing country, we are looking forward for a healthy
yeah,
growth.
yes.
Actually-
I agree with Sadhana and Suraj, but as in this budget, as government not rises the taxes, it is a very good thing, because yeah, we know the fiscal deficit is increased, but government
Yes,
by
I agree with-
not rising taxes,
I agree
government
with Yatharth.
Yatharth,
Government-
actually,
I want
it
to add
was
a
a
point
suggestion
here
from
that
the
government
Economic
is
Survey
not increasing the
2021.
taxes, but the goal, future goal of this budget is that is the goal of this budget is last term. So we cannot expect the immediate benefit from this budget, and that's why.
Yeah, adding to my fellow
actually-
participant, adding some points to my fellow participants, I would like to enlist some of the points that in this budget, two PSU banks have been divested with one general insurance company. Moreover, there are measures taken under the Atmanirbhar package, such as health, inclusive development, human capital, innovation, and research and development. Moreover, many of the highway works have been implemented in most of the cities such as Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and for that, the budget has been sanctioned by the government.
Yes, I
Yes,
I would like to
I
explain the point
agree with
given by
Pallav, but
Pallav. I would like to
the budget for
I'm actually
let me-
agreeing with Pallav, and I would like to explain the
Government is also
Pallav's
planning
point.
the bad
actually.
bank. That is raise taxes
I would
on
like
bad
to
loans.
add one
which
point here.
the
I would like to add
building
one
of
point.
mega textile parks, large scale electronic production plants, so that it can boost up our economy. And the budget is mainly focusing on how to boost
Actually-
our economy as in the
Vinay,
large
I'm agreeing with you. Actually, how the government is planning to improve the electronic sector is through PLI schemes, performance linked incentives. 1.9 lakh crore is assigned for mainly for electronic goods. They will be given tax realizations, particular economic zones, etc. And 1.97 crore is assigned for under Atmanirbhar Bharat for under PLI schemes.
Yes,
Coming to the
I-
Pallav's
Main
point,
I-
actually,
I want to
coming to
add
Pallav's
one
point,
point here.
yes.
I want to
Yes.
add one
If
point
we-
global hub
here.
of the
If
manufacturing.
I
we
want to
are
add one
going
point
to highlight the budget, some of the highlights of the budgets are that it is just to push up the self-reliant India. Whatever earlier declared by the government, this budget
Yeah.
is supporting that in order to improve rural infrastructure. They have allotted 30,000 crores.
Yes,
They wanted to privatize some PSUs in order to improve efficiency. They
Yes,
wanted
I agree with you.
some-
I
Murthy.
agree with you,
Madam, actually-
Sarna, but
process of
I want to
PSU
add one
is,
point here.
including
I want to add one point here
investment
that
of the
that
public sector banks and one financial organization. So in this way, the organization which includes some unproductive things. So there are certain measures that the government can sell the unproductive parts of that and can get the revenue from that.
yeah, yes, Vinay, I want to
there
one
is something for
talking
senior
about
citizen
reforms.
also.
Talking about
Talking
reforms,
about senior
talking
citizen.
about reforms.
Yes,
I
ma'am,
want to
there is
add
something for
add one
senior
There is
point.
something
And
for
this
senior
budget
citizen
not-
also.
I want to
Friends.
add one
beneficiary.
point
Yeah,
here.
Citizen
Talking
is
about
important
reforms.
part of our
Actually,
society.
this budget has
Friends, actually-
Senior citizen is important part
Yes,
of our
yes,
Yeah,
society.
yes, yes.
And
important
there
part,
is
but
one
it is
thing is
important part, but
one
in
step
India,
has
if
been
we-
taken forward that the
Right.
senior citizen who has a 75 years of age, he do not have to file ITR.
Yes,
If he is
Sarna,
dependent
I
on
am
the
agree
income,
with you.
in
the
India,
income
there
can
are
go
talking
up.
about
That is the
takeaway,
condition
not
for
talking
very
about
large number
reforms,
of
It's a
I
very
want to
good
add one
step.
point that
which are above the
one more
government
important takeaway
increased-
from this budget.
government
One more
increased
important takeaway
FDI
from this budget I would like to
74%
mention
from
over here
49% in
is
insurance.
Okay.
Yeah,
100 new Sainik schools, 100 new Sainik schools to be set up all throughout India. 750 Eklavya schools to be set up in tribal
Actually,
areas.
I
Central university
want
to come up in Ladakh.
sorry to
So
interrupt
three
you. Sorry
important
to interrupt
decisions
you.
Yeah.
taken in
Sorry to
education
interrupt
sector.
you,
Yeah,
but
adding to your point, I would
education
like to
budget,
also mention
education
that
budget is
two vaccines,
also increased,
Covishield
also
and
decreased.
Covaxin, that is made by the former is which is made by AstraZeneca and the is made by Bharat Biotech. These vaccines, the production of these vaccines have been assigned 35,000 crores for the upliftment of the healthcare sector, so that
Pallav,
our
actually,
country.
I would like
Yes,
to.
actually,
Yes,
healthcare
Pallav,
sector
actually, there is a
increase-
healthcare sector is the
the
highest.
bu- yes,
has
yes,
seen
the
a highest,
budget of
Yeah,
healthcare
that's
sector
why
is
what-
increased
that
by
100%
137%.
increase from the last budget. It is
137%
the highest,
increased.
I agree
highest
with you,
dividend.
Yatharth.
Yes, it is the
Yes.
highest budget dividend
Yeah,
for a
that is
healthcare
the-
sector.
Yes, yes.
Total 2.8 lakh crore is the budget dividend for health sector. It's the highest.
Yes.
Finally, government is realizing the vulnerability of our health
right.
sector, I think.
And there is
Go ahead,
one
And,
more point that the infrastructure is like 11,000 kilometer national highway has to be built up. This is also the
Yeah, I want to add
major
one point
state.
here, Vinay.
In
I
this
want
budget-
to add
in this
one
budget-
here.
Infrastructure
The-
also,
In this
these-
budget,
the
government has
infrastructure, and road
clear-cut
announced
guidelines.
in
They
the
wanted to improve conditions of farmer. Whatever
Yes.
the flagship program of government of India to double the income of farmer, they are working towards it by
one more interesting policy which
rural
came out was
infrastructure.
vehicle scrapping
This is the
policy.
main thing.
That means the old and unfit vehicles are to be scrapped out because they lead to pollution. And I see this interesting policy because all the vehicles will undergo a fitness test. All the commercial vehicles will undergo fitness test every 15 years, and all the personal vehicles will undergo a fitness test after 20 years. So this is a very interesting policy in the infrastructure sector.
And also the
Actually,
very good
there
point
are
of
two
this
points.
this budget is that the government is not putting the pressure on individual people of the country, so it can be very beneficiary in that terms also.
Vinay,
yes,
Vinay, actually, there are
I
two
want to
reasons
add
for
one
this.
point about
There are
is
two reasons for
other
this.
side
I'd like
of
to-
the coin.
I want
There is another side of the coin.
there is a other
which we
side
also look
of
into. That
uh,
budget is giving very less for the service sector. When
Yes,
the
and
income is above 5
Actually,
lakhs, the service
yes,
person has to pay 30% of income tax.
talking about other sides, talking about our other
madam,
sides,
actually,
That's why
the
madam, actually,
service sector
last,
is little
maximum
bit
amount of
unhappy with the budget.
Yeah,
maximum
adding to
amount
this,
of
I would like to also
infrastructures
mention that
in.
reports have been
Actually, there are
adopted
Yeah.
two
in order
sides
to
that
increase
Yes.
some are happy
efficiency
with the
of
budget and
administration.
some are also unhappy with the budget. But there are long-term benefits from this budget.
Yes,
So we
Vinay,
should
I
consider
just
that
want to
also.
add
actually,
one point. I just want to add one point. The talking about infrastructure budget, the maximum roads and infrastructure budget dedicated to those states which will have election in future. So there is also an angle of election in it.
No, actually, sorry to interrupt you,
actually,
but
actually,
that
Vinay, there are
budget
two.
is not focusing on the voter purpose.
No, it's not about all about that, but there is little bit
One more
Actually,
positive thing
yes, sir.
is
yes,
inclination
one more
towards
important positive thing is Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana has been extended for to cover 1 crore more beneficiaries. So 1 crore more
Yes,
people will get the benefit of Ujjwala Yojana, which provides LPG gas at a cheaper rates.
Yeah,
Actually,
adding to
there are two
the
points I would
mission's
like
point
to.
of view, I would like to also mention that Urban Swachh Bharat Mission has been implemented in order to adopt several management processes related to removal of fecal sludge, wastewater treatment, and source segregation. So these are some of the highlighting points of the budget.
Actually, there are 2 points I would like to point out here. Actually, our GST has increased. GST after the implementation of GST, this is the highest GST revenue ever recorded in our history, 1.9 lakh crore. And also our inflation is less in last 5 years, 0.14 of GDP, 14% of our GDP. This is boosting. Actually, this is the reason for our V-shaped curve Sadhana madam was talking about.
Yes,
and
I
one
want
of the
to
good
add.
point is
I
the
wanted to add
liquidating the unproductive
something.
assets is the very good point of this
Yes,
budget.
yes,
If
That
Vinay.
government,
unused
if
land of
government
railways and
give
defense
a clear-cut
defense.
roadmap, there
Yes.
is one thing lagging in that budget. I am totally observing it. They are talking about improving rural infrastructure and farmers' condition, but there is not any kind of clear roadmap given in that budget. Clear cut, nothing has been
No,
mentioned.
Like
How
I
they
think
Sadhana
I
madam, it
think
is
this,
the
already
major
it
steps
is
that have
already
been
they are
covered
taken.
under
talking
farm law.
about e-market,
No,
e-nam, and one
actually, it's
nation, one
already
market. But how they are going to implement that?
it is madam, it is already covered under farm law. Actually, reformations under farm law. After implementation of farm law, all these implementations will be easier, and the guidelines are already under farm law.
Okay, I think now we can go for conclusion of this. So Yatharth, can you please conclude?
hello everyone. I would like to take the opportunity to conclude this discussion. We have a very good discussion, little bit turbulent though, but we have very good points. So as Suraj mentioned that finance sector and he mentioned about Ujjwala Yojana, and as Vinay mentioned about health sector, and we also talked about how this budget going to help in infrastructure. So in my opinion, overall it is a decent budget. On that note, I want to finish this discussion. Thank you.
Okay, now I think Suraj can conclude.
Okay, so we had a very good discussion on this topic. I think Sadhana madam told about self-reliant India, no income tax return for the older people. She and PM Atmanirbhar Yojana said by Pallav, which will implement 6 lakh crore for improving health sector. And then Vinay said about improving healthcare sector. Yatharth said about taxes system. And all of this, that means here most of us we agreed that this is a good budget, and the proof of this proof that this budget is good, that Sensex went up. So this is the proof that everybody has a belief in this budget, and so that I hope for that this budget will be implemented as it is said, as it is mentioned in this year. Thank you.
Sadhana, please go ahead.
Fellow participants, we have had a very good discussion over the topic union budget. Uh, Apart from that, it is a complex topic. Mr. Suraj, Anurag, Vinay, and Yatharth has given very valuable opinions. Mr. Suraj spoken about Ujjwala Yojana, GST revenue, which is improving our GDP. Then Mr. Suraj spoken about vehicles to be checked after 20 years of use. He spoken about PLI scheme also. These are the some value-added points, and we really had a very good discussion. It will definitely going to benefit in our lives. Thank you.
Okay, Vinay.
Okay. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to conclude the discussion. So, as my friend Suraj said, that this budget includes the extension of the Ujjwala Yojana, and as Palla also said that there is also the inclusion of it is also focusing on the healthcare sector to provide the vaccines to every individual. So it is a very good discussion. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Pallav.
Okay, so at the end, I would like to conclude that it was a healthy discussion, and everybody agreed on the point that the budget for this year is a nice one. And talking about the individual points that Yatharth said about reforms and taxation percentages in this budget, Sadhana told about the self-reliance and agricultural sector budget, inclusion of budget in the agricultural sector. Suresh said about the vehicle policies, and Vinay said about the budget for building roads and construction of roads and other aspects. So it was a healthy discussion at the end. Thank you.
Yatharth, you've done?
Sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Rahul.
sir.
Thank you for the opportunity to conclude this discussion. We had a very good discussion and fruitful one. Some of the important points, we almost covered all the important points of this budget. As Suraj correctly indicated, the welfare schemes of government, the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala scheme, and he also said about the education sector covered in this budget. Pallav said about the Swachh Bharat mission, continuation of the Swachh Bharat mission and the allocation, and the healthcare sector for main 2 vaccines, 35 crore allocation of the main 2 vaccines. Also, Yatharth mentioned about the infrastructure, and Yatharth and Vinay mentioned about the infrastructure projects, mainly the road and highways. Sadhana Madam covered the topic of tax benefits for senior citizen and the farm and MSME sector. Sadhana Madam covered this area also. So I think we have covered all the important topics of all the important area of the budget. We were able to touch all the important area of the budget, and we had a very good discussion, and almost everybody agrees that this is the budget up to the mark, expected up to the mark. That's my conclusion. So,
okay, anybody left for conclusion? See, now this topic is such an important topic that I think you need to have in-depth knowledge about this. In-depth in the sense that you should have holistic knowledge about this. Need to listen some more people, more videos, or maybe I will make audio recording and send it to you tomorrow in the morning. Topic was not Union Budget 2021. Topic was Union Budget 2021 post-COVID shutdown. You need to listen the topic very carefully. So what happened in COVID shutdown? Economy was in recession, expenditure was not done, businesses were not running. So you need to have made some kind of linkages of this budget with 2020. So starting would have been like, friends, this budget 2021 was having a challenge, because at one point of time there is a recession, another time government is to make spending, huge spending to revive the economy. At the same time, whenever government spends more, there is a fear of inflation, price rise. There's always a fear for that also. So there are multiple challenges government was facing because of COVID shutdown, and this budget has addressed those particular things. Like when we talk about health, there's a huge jump in health expenditure of the government, health infrastructure and all. That was largely because of COVID. When government is trying to disinvest the public sectors and get some kind of finance or money, that is also to bring the economy out of recession, to pump money in the market. And from where the government is going to pump money? Government cannot take loan from World Bank because COVID is international phenomena. So when you want to pump money in the market, you need to get that money from somewhere. आत्मनिर्भर भारत पैकेज अगर आप देखोगे तो आत्मनिर्भर भारत पैकेज भी तो डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट के पैसे से रिलेटेड है, तो वो डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में यू कुड हैव फोकस्ड. सो कोविड का क्या इंपैक्ट पड़ा है इस चीज के ऊपर कि भाई हमें डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट भी कहीं ना कहीं उससे रिलेटेड है, हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी उससे रिलेटेड है, ये सारी चीज आप उस तरीके से बोल सकते हो. And I sent you those 10 points, most important budget takeaways points हैं, वो points आप एक बार थोड़ा सा देख लेते. So I still want that you have come to one level of understanding of this budget. एक level है, लेकिन I would like कि next 2 days में we basically go for GD related to economy only. एक तो budget से ही मैं आपको topic भी आज दूंगा कि tomorrow what topic we are going to discuss. And since you have a level now, listen to this particular discussion also, and you have this level now, and built on this level, listen to some more videos on YouTube. There are people, very good experts. Listen to that, sit with copy and pen and make holistic understanding of that. And tomorrow also we will participate on similar. And another important topic I want to discuss with you related to economy can be economic revival or economy in this year. I mean, is there any revival post COVID? Indian economy post COVID, union budget post COVID, and third can be Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is also related to economy. So if you do these 3 topics, economy, Indian economy post COVID, economy 2021, union budget post COVID 2019, Atmanirbhar Bharat, and in economic revival. So if we think of these 3 topics, go and search these 3 topics, sit with your pen and copy, devote 1 to 2 hours on YouTube. There are very good people who are making dissection of these topics, explaining very nicely, and your concept will be built from there. And I would like next 2-3 days may we discuss about economy topics which are very, very important. So this month, Feb and March, may whatever GDs are going to take place, they are going to be related to Indian economy, economic survey, union budget, Indian economy, all these things, right? And we need to go for that. Now I come to the feedback of you related to this topic. Yatharth, if I tell the Yatharth, you have come a long way. I think this was your 3rd GD, and I am really happy that you could introduce very well. मेरे को ये नहीं लगा कि you are stopping today and your fluency was maintained. You said it is a very special and relevant topic. Special word was used. Good. It is special because it is post-COVID. Budget always is important document, event, economic event, budget, but it is special. What makes this budget special? Because last year we had a very, very bad year as far as the economy is concerned. We were having minus 23-24% GDP growth, minus 24. Since Indian independence, it was worst. So this year obviously is a special. Yes. You said this budget is a first budget in new decade, so you could link that. It is paperless budget, but you could have spent 1 to 2 words explaining what is the meaning of paperless budget. You said recovery was required. So recovery word was used, special word was used, new decade, first budget of new decade was used. Had you used post COVID, the topic was post COVID, the introduction wonderful ho jata Yatharth. You could have said this is a special budget because this is post COVID, the world pandemic, pandemic through which entire world is basically fighting. So post COVID mein tha, it makes it special, right? तो ये बहुत अच्छा हो जाता. फिर देन यू स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट रिफॉर्म्स, एजुकेशन, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, तो आपने की वर्ड्स यूज किए. तो आपका इंट्रोडक्शन वाज वेरी गुड बिकॉज यू कुड यूज द की वर्ड्स. यथार्थ कंक्लूजन में आपने लोगों का नाम लिया, बाकी लोगों के बारे में आपने बताया, दैट वाज गुड. सो यू कुड पार्टिसिपेट आल्सो इन बिटवीन. सो आई कुड सी द मैक्सिमम ग्रोथ इन योर जीडी, जो आपको खुद भी फील हुआ होगा आज. दिस वाज योर थर्ड जीडी एंड इट वाज वंडरफुल, आई टेल यू. मतलब अब तुम फेल नहीं हो, आज के जीडी में तुम्हें फेल नहीं कर सकता. पिछले दोनों जीडीज में तुम बाहर थे, बट आई कैन नॉट फेल यू टुडे इन द जीडी. आई नीड टू कीप यू बिकॉज ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स व्हिच यू हैव डन. एंड आई एम श्योर आपने होमवर्क भी किया है आज का यूनिट बजट का, आपने तैयारी किया है, आपने लिखा है, आपने हाथ से लिखा है, तब आप वो वर्ड्स को बोल पाए. And that is a good thing. Do it more. And Indian economy के 3-4 topics को याद कर लो. Okay, that was good. Now I come to Suraj. Suraj has a very good level. मैंने कल भी बताया था सूरज का लेवल वैसे ही अच्छा है. तो सूरज ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से स्टार्ट किया, इंटरेस्टिंग है. बैंक फाइनेंस आपने उसके बारे में मेंशन किया एंड सूरज ने अच्छी स्टार्टिंग किया. बीच में भी सूरज अच्छे तरीके से बोलते रहे एंड जो जब डिबेट स्टार्ट हुआ तो सूरज ने इनिशिएट किया. तो आई एम वेरी श्योर कि सूरज इंट्रोडक्शन और कंक्लूजन पकड़ लेगा. एक्चुअल में यू कैन इनिशिएट देयर एक्चुअल जीडी में. He said about physical deficit pre and post COVID. He explained physical deficit. He started with physical deficit actually. So one point he took physical deficit. I will not say that physical deficit was the most important thing. Suraj, you could have related it with COVID. You could have related physical deficit very closely with COVID. That physical deficit ka problem is related to COVID and that is how it has come up, right? Like unemployment you can relate to COVID, physical deficit you can relate to COVID, health infrastructure you can relate to COVID. These things you could have related to COVID, right? You explained physical deficit but you did not relate it with COVID. That was the part missing. Okay, you talked about new schools and education part. Also you went to the education part, but you see the topic was how it is related to COVID. Union budget, how it is related to COVID. You talked about Ujjwala Yojana and all these things. They were informations, they were information. I don't want information, I want the sense. I want जो debate चल रहा है उसका topic क्या था? Post COVID union budget. क्या challenges हैं? तो COVID should be there when you are talking about the things. Conclusion was not as good as introduction and body was, Suraj, for you. Because conclusion mein most of you are thinking that in conclusion we are to name other people only one by one. What Yatharth said, what Vinay said, what Pallav said, what Sadhana said. It is not about that. Even if you mention 2 to 3 people, but you tell the crux of conclusion, it is worth it. I want in conclusion you should tell the crux. You can say some people were of this opinion, some people were of this opinion. So that is something which is good. So I don't want that you should flood the conclusion with the name of people. I want you should give the crux of the discussion. That is where most of you were basically making the mistake. Like Rahul was also mentioning each and every person. Suraj was mentioning each and every person. So that is even Pallav was mentioning everyone. It is not that. I don't want that you should name each one. And you are busy writing during discussion, writing that what somebody is saying. I want you to give me crux, and in between you can name someone also. So that is what is required. Don't miss the crux. But overall it was okay, Suraj. So you need to improve your conclusion. Sadhana, first let me give you the feedback. Like it is looking like when you are participating in the discussion, you are more busy in writing and reading. You are writing something and then you're reading from there. Like obviously senior executive is supposed to do, but here we are going to participate in discussion. So we need to listen to others and we need to continuously maintain the eye contacts with others also. So instead of getting busy with writing and then reading while we are speaking, that should not be there. When you are talking, it should look like you are maintaining the eye contacts with others and you are busy in putting your point forward rather than reading what you have already written. Because during discussion, during discussion, even if you are writing, you should not look like writing. You should not, other fellows should not feel that you are writing. Online mein to maybe I can't see your hands, but offline mein I can see your hands also. So you do not enjoy the luxury of writing many things, because if you're writing and then reading, it is not a discussion, right? So you need to be very, very careful with that. You need to maintain your gesture, posture such that everybody should feel that, okay, you are watching and you are interacting. Even now, if you see the eye contacts which I have, the body posture which I have, and that should be very, very obvious. My eye should be visible to you, and you should feel like, okay, he's watching us, he's seeing us, he's interacting with us, his hand movements are dynamic, and all those things should be obvious. And Sadhana made very good starting. She could talk about pharma, MSME, medium sector. So starting was good, and it was a topic related to her only. In between, she could talk about V-shaped recovery, improvements in the Indian economy. She could talk, and she talked about self-reliant India, also rural infrastructure, also those all points you mentioned. One thing which was different for Sadhana was she could even tell some kind of shortcomings of the budget, which most of you ignored. Most of you were only talking about rosy things about the budget and not talking about what are the limitations of the budget. You know, unemployment, post-COVID, what? Unemployment is the main challenge in the post-COVID, and that is the main criticism of this budget. That are you talking about the employment? That is the main criticism. People want employment, especially post-COVID. And people do not have income, but inflation is huge. I mean, aap dekh rahe ho, petrol is hitting 100 rupees almost. So you are not expecting that. You are not doing anything for that. So I don't want rosy picture only. I want balanced criticism also. That if I mention about some kind of shortcomings of the budget, these are the short. So in unemployment pe baat nahi hua. Those things you have to tell. So Sadhana could talk a little bit about that. That was a part. And rest, obviously, I think the rest was okay. Only thing is, nobody is going to give you opportunity to speak in between. You have to snatch that opportunity and speak. That is the part which is missing to you. So if I give you opportunity to start and talk and conclude, you will do wonderful. If I don't give you opportunity, maybe you do not snatch the opportunity. That is another limitation. You need to snatch. You need to always be aggressive that, okay, I will snatch the discussion. And you know, there are 3 videos I told you I have put on your PDR channel, how to enter in GD. Listen to that again carefully. How to enter in GD. Okay. How to start GD, how to conclude GD, how to enter GD. Listen those. Okay. They are very wonderfully made videos. And how to enter in GD, please listen to that. That is one thing. Baki rest is okay. I think it was not, it was okay. There's improvement from yesterday, and today you can talk about that. If I come to Pallav talked about healthcare infrastructure revive, but Pallav, you ended your introduction abruptly. That is again trouble you are facing, that you have a point, you speak well, but only thing is you do not speak much. So I want you to speak more in body part also, in conclusion also, in introduction also. The rest part is okay, Pallav, but you need to speak more. If people don't give you chance, I told you you're a soft spoken chap. You may not get opportunity to speak, Pallav. So you need to enter more and more into that. If I talk about Vinay, your energy looks like lacking energy. You do not look like energetic or dynamic. You look like that you are only fulfilling the formality. You are so much serious during the discussion. I want to tell each one of you, you need to maintain some kind of, I'll say, happiness on your face, smiling face, energetic face, displaying energy. You should not look like a sad, gloomy, not displaying energy, very serious. I don't want those faces actually. I want faces which are active, you know. You should be active, you should be participating, you should be smiling, you should be dynamic. You are moving your eyebrows, you are moving your eyes, you are moving your hands, you are moving your body. We are not static people, you know, we should be dynamic. So don't do that. Don't be very, very sad during the discussion. It does not add. Why I'm saying that is because if I'm observing 50 students sitting in the class, my attention goes to the student who is having some kind of nodding, who is smiling. So that is what natural is there. So out of all the people, I will be observing the person who is smiling, who is nodding, who is speaking, who is making hand movements. So this is something which is very, very important. You need to understand that. So I told you many times that you keep nodding also when somebody is speaking, you keep nodding. It should look like you're listening to him attentively. That is something which is very important. So विनय, आपका नेगेटिव फीडबैक है कि आप बहुत ही सीरियस होके बैठते हो यार, ऐसा लगता है पता नहीं क्यों इतने सीरियस होके बैठे हो। और बॉडी पोस्चर भी एक्टिव बनाओ, अभी भी आप बॉडी पोस्चर आपका एक्टिव होना चाहिए और आपको मूव करना चाहिए, आपको अपना हेड मूव करना चाहिए, आई कॉन्टेक्ट मेंटेन करना चाहिए, वो चीज सीखो थोड़ा सा। जो भी आप एंकर देखोगे टीवी के ऊपर भी, यू ऑब्जर्व एनी एंकर, the anchor is to display energy. If he is not displaying energy, he cannot be good anchor. You need to understand that. So that is what you have to do. So Vinay, you started with the healthcare, wellness, but you started giving lot of information in the introduction which is not to be given. 2.83 lakh crore to health infrastructure, this detail, that detail, वो introduction नहीं होता, that is body part. Introduction is when you have to give the direction. So friends, union budget, if I tell you COVID, post COVID, I would like you, we should discuss about three main aspects post COVID. One aspect is obviously revival of the economy, another is government expenditure, then is health infrastructure, then is unemployment. So friends, I believe that all of us have good points and we should talk about these components post COVID about the union budget. Though union budget is a quite vast document, I'm sure I know that we cannot discuss each and every point on that, but on post COVID and impact of COVID, let's talk about this. तो ऐसा एक आप डायरेक्शन छोड़ो ना, डिस्कशन का एक डायरेक्शन छोड़ दो, उसका डिटेल्स आर सेकंड पार्ट, बॉडी पार्ट. So Vinay, whatever you said in the introduction, that was to be said in the body part. That is what I'm saying. And the conclusion was there, but you abruptly ended your conclusion. You were speaking something and then you ended up your conclusion. That is another mistake which you did, Vinay. So energy lacking and not following the structure of introduction, not following the structure of conclusion, and body part को mixing करना, ये आपका negative feedback रहा, Vinay. Rahul, you said it is the most awaited thing. That is a good line. I liked that line. Like Yathar said, it is a special. You said most awaited. I want these kind of words to be used, right? Shrinking GDP, COVID crisis, unemployment. So Rahul ने point पकड़ लिया, Rahul ने title पकड़ा. Rahul के बारे में introduction में ये सही था. He was talking about the topic. The most important thing in GD is, are you understanding the topic or not? So when I'm saying union budget post COVID-19, don't miss post COVID-19. Don't start talking about union budget 2021, missing COVID part. So एक पूरा उसको understand करना topic को is very important. Otherwise you will not make sense in the GD. Then he has, but you have not given any direction, Rahul. That was another part missing. You have not given any direction to the discussion. You talked about PLI schemes and Atmanirbhar Bharat and all, but linkages was not there. Conclusion mein, you need not to mention the name of each and every member. That is not required. That is Rahul also made mistake into that. I think that is all about jo bhi participate the. Anurag was a mute spectator today. He maintained silence. He could not speak. He could not enter. So Anurag, make sure tomorrow when we discuss, your system is correct. You are in position to speak and we are in position to listen to you. Can you speak now, Rahul? Anurag?
Yes, sir.
Now to it's okay. But earlier what happened?
Don't know, sir, where my bandwidth was not.
Okay. Make sure we participate tomorrow. So let me tell you, tomorrow also I think we'll go for the economic budget only. And topic I will message you tomorrow. एंड यूनियन बजट को एक बार दोबारा से रिवाइज कर लो. टॉपिक थोड़ा सा अलग रहेगा लेकिन बजट से रिलेटेड ही रहेगा. टुमारो आल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दैट. आई टोल्ड यू इकोनॉमी टॉपिक्स जो हमें तैयार करने हैं. एक तो इंडियन इकोनॉमी, रिकवरी ऑफ दैट पोस्ट कोविड, एक बजट कोविड के साथ और सारा बजट का एनालिसिस, फिर आत्मनिर्भर भारत वगैरह रिवाइज कर लो, उससे रिलेटेड डोमेन्स को रिवाइज कर लो. सो दीज आर द इकोनॉमी टॉपिक्स. आई थिंक नेक्स्ट 2 days में वी विल कवर दीज टॉपिक्स एंड आई विल गिव यू सम मोर टॉपिक्स आल्सो, सम मोर डॉक्यूमेंट्स आई विल सेंड यू. Anything? So today's if I am to qualify, Suraj will enter, Yatharth will enter. These are 2 people who will score good. Then after that Sadhana will come, and after that Pallav will come, and Vinay, you will be out of discussion today. Rahul, Sadhana and Pallav are at the same level. Yatharth and Suraj are today at the same level. So that is what is my conclusion for the GD today, right? This is how it is. Anything you want to ask now?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I wanted to ask a question. You have given a feedback that I should not be allowed luxury of writing. And during my discussion, whether there is no eye contact with fellow participants, what you observed?
No, no,
I
could
was
not
making
understand.
eye contact was there, sir. I was
No, but
interacting with the participants.
it was looking like you're writing, Sadhana. Writing and then reading from there.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
And comparatively, fluency was better, sir, compared to yesterday's discussion. Whether fluency is okay today?
Fluency is good. See, you can speak, as you know, you have the points,
There
you
is
can speak.
only practice is the issue, sir.
Yes,
So
I
far.
understand that. I understand that. You know, even if somebody is very good, I will tell him not that he's very good. I will tell that these are the scope of improvement. That makes sense. So you
Thank you,
need
sir.
to learn that, you know. So that is
Yes, sir.
what I observed in you, that you are writing, and that is, you know, when any executive will do that only. He will write and then talk very sense. But you know,
In
this
official meetings, we are doing like that only. No? That is why that is my
that is
practice.
a habit we have. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So when you know, you need to be very meticulous. Like when you are reading also, you need to maintain the eye contacts also, and a little bit glance you have to give, and you have to read and then speak, something like that,
Okay, sir.
right?
sir, I wanted to ask that today I felt that I had a problem while concluding the session. So I wanted to ask that how can we, that means connect all the points given by the participants into a meaningful, how can we practice that?
It comes with the practice only. As you gave your answer yourself, you need to make more and more practice, you know. As I told you, make the meaning out of entire discussion. कि meaning क्या था, conclusion क्या था, वो तुम्हें holistically सोचना है. See, you should start making sense of what you are saying. Formality के लिए नहीं बोलना है. जैसे अभी हम बोलते हैं उसने ये बोला, ठीक है सबने बोला, लेकिन conclusion क्या है? Understand my point? So पहला point आता है कि मैं बोलूं तो सही, I should speak something, then I should make sense what I am speaking. There is a second part, and this comes only with practice, you know. When you start, I tell you about my profession, teaching profession. When you start first day, you have a lot of knowledge, you know. What is the difference between an experienced teacher and a new teacher? A new teacher has a lot of knowledge, I tell you, because he has mugged up all the books. So you people see, if I go to write any exam today, I will not be in position to crack any exam. I don't have knowledge. I don't know even the formulas, but I can basically teach very nicely. Why? Because I know what is meaningful. I can make that, make you people understand that. So that part is lacking. You may be having knowledge, but expressing that knowledge, making sense of that, serving that in a very good manner, making your understanding enter into somebody's head, these are the things which come with experience only. So you need to practice, you need to experience, have experience in that, then only it can come. Practice, and learn. You be a quick learner. Participating in many GDs automatically will not make you learned. You need to have learning attitude also. Whenever you are sitting every GD, learn from yourself, your mistakes, learn from others' mistakes, learn from others' strong points, learn from your strong points. When I'm telling that Yatharth has this strong point, you also listen. When I'm saying that, okay, Anurag has this strong point, you learn from that. When I say Anurag has this limitation, you learn from him, his mistakes. That is what, if you 1 hour you devote and full learning and practice, तो 5 से 10 GDs में expert हो सकता है आदमी. ये what we have to do.
Very happy to see the progress of Yatharth.
Yeah, truly, actually, even I'm impressed. This is
actually when the GD was going on, I felt his improvement today.
ऐसा होता है, you know. There is one boy, I tell you. मैंने एक स्टूडेंट का वीडियो अपलोड किया है यूरोपीडिया एजुकेशन के ऊपर. He got into IOCL, that boy, and you see he made a drastic improvement. Every time he used to see के कैसे करूं मैं improve, कैसे improve करूं. So if you have that zeal, you know, that if you have that urge to improve, you will do that. You will do that for sure.
Enthusiasm.
Sorry? Enthusiasm, yes.
Required.
Yes, that is required.
First day he was asking that whether he can speak in Hindi, and today he was
you observed that, right? You observed that, yes.
Actually sir, मैंने recording करके अपनी आवाज को सुना आज 2-3 घंटे वो तो.
Eklavya, you know, Eklavya, that is example. Eklavya, I mean, practice. That example we have in the history. You do practice, you do, and you will learn it. There's nothing impossible. English is only a language. What is this? What is so difficult? It's only language, and there is nothing difficult. So
Yes, sir.
everyone can do really good. So Yatharth is certainly example of that. Today the way he was speaking, it does not look like he was asking for Hindi couple of days back, 2-3 days back. So that is not a trouble. And I think you go practice a lot, and you should have believed that you can do it. And as
Yes,
I
sir.
told you, whatever you do in life, enjoy that. Enjoy even GD sessions. If you enjoy that, if you learn that, then only you can do justification. Otherwise you cannot do. अगर ऐसे करो ना, बर्डन है सिर के ऊपर, यार जीडी पास कर रहा है, बताओ सर मैं पास कैसे करूं, मेरे को बहुत बर्डन है, तो यू कैन नॉट पास इट. इफ यू से सर मेरे को जीडी सीखना है, लर्न करना है, मजा करना है, एंजॉय करना है, टेल मी नाउ हाउ टू कैन आई एंजॉय दिस सेशन, then you will certainly learn this. As a teacher also, you know, this is 10:30, I start my day at 5:30 in the morning, and entire day this is what I'm doing. But at this time also, if I'm not enjoying what I'm doing, my energy will be drooped. But if I'm enjoying it, what I'm doing, then my energy will be full there. This is what we have to do actually. And it gives me happiness when you're talking. I don't feel like stopping, you know, I don't feel like stopping talking. And so that part is required actually. That is what I feel. Then we can do justice with whatever we are doing. I think that is required.
Yes, sir.
फाइन. सो अब हम यही टॉपिक करेंगे अगले 2 दिन. इकोनॉमी को मास्टर करते हैं. यू कैन सजेस्ट सम टॉपिक्स ऑन द कॉमन ग्रुप्स. यू कैन शेयर द थिंग्स. People like Sadhana are there who are expert in these domains, who are related to these domains. So economy ke topic next 2 to 3 days we will do, and we will cover up all the topics. I'll give you some more material. So tomorrow topic will be related to union budget only, but title मैं आपको अलग से दूंगा. तो title morning में मैं भेजूंगा, and accordingly we will start for that. Fine. Stick to that title, and tomorrow
हाँ sir.
more energetically we participate. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay sir. Okay sir. Thank
Good
you
night
sir.
to all of you.
Good
Good
night
night,
sir.
sir. Good